Hello everyone, welcome to Competitive Square Online Classes Barampur. In this video, I will do the current affairs of 9th July. Before going to start, one announcement. Some students telling me, sir, please make this video in Hindi. Those who want to Hindi video, please comment Hindi in this comment section. Please comment Hindi in that comment section. Clear? As usual, class summaries, yesterday's current affairs MCQ. Then we will discuss today's most important current affairs. Then one state. Let's start the yesterday's MCQ question. Which state has recently launched a new app called Self Scan? Which state recently launched Self Scan? Self Scan, it is the same work as Cam Scan. Same function as Cam Scan. This is the new application, that is Self Scan, launched by which state? The state is West Bengal. West Bengal capital Kolkata. It is located in river bank. It is located in the river bank Hooghly. Hooghly. It is located in the river bank of Hooghly. Who is the chief minister? Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is the first woman railway minister. Remember, is the first woman railway minister. Who is the governor? Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Jagdeep Dhankar. Remember one more application, that is exit application. Exit application also launched by West Bengal. Exit application also launched by West Bengal. Similarly, Snehara Purush scheme and Prochesta scheme. Snehara Purush Prochesta scheme launched by West Bengal. Remember, which river is known as Sorrow of Bengal? Sorrow of Bengal. Sorrow of Bengal. That is Damodar. Damodar river. Recently, West Bengal started one more project, that is Damodar Valley project. That is Damodar Valley project. Damodar Valley project. Question will ask, which state recently started Damodar Valley project? That is West Bengal. He is the number one producer in vegetable. Number one vegetable producer. Vegetable producer. Remember, number one fruit producer is yes, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is number one fruit producer. Total Lok Sabha seat is 42. Rajya Sabha seat is 16. 42, 16. Lok Sabha seat is 42. Rajya Sabha seat is 16. The Sorrow of Bengal is Damodar. He started Damodar Valley project. Sundarban National Park. Sundarban National Park. Jaldapara, Boxa, Jaldapara, Boxa, Singlila, Gorumara. These are the national park of West Bengal. Remember, Sundarban, Jaldapara, Boxa, Singlila, Gorumara is the national park of West Bengal. Clear? West Bengal recently started an application, that is Self Scan. Clear? Which of the following Indian state has become the first state in the country where all households have LPG connections? All households have LPG connection under the Ujjwala Yojana. Under the Ujjwala Yojana, all households get LPG connection, liquefied petroleum gas LPG connection. Which state? That is Himachal Pradesh. Capital Simla, known as Apple City of India. Apple City of India is Simla. Lok Sabha seat 4, Rajya Sabha seat is 3. Himachal Pradesh, Lok Sabha seat is 4, Rajya Sabha seat is 3. Chief Minister, who is he? Jairam Thakur. जयराम ठाकुर। गवर्नर बंदारू दत्तात्रेय, बंदारू दत्तात्रेय, दत्तात्रेय। Remember one more yojana, that is Panchavati Yojana. That is C. Panchavati Yojana. Panchavati Yojana started by Himachal Pradesh. For why? In this scheme, he make park, different park for senior citizens. Park for senior citizens. Remember, he started also one portal, that is Gati portal. Gati portal. Question will ask, Gati portal recently started which state? That is Himachal Pradesh. One more festival you remember, that is Phagli. Phagli festival is the famous festival. Phagli, F-A-G-L-I. Yes, Phagli festival is the famous festival here. Similarly, Sahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana also started. Yes, Sahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana. Guarantee Yojana started by Himachal Pradesh. Clear? Which state where all households have LPG connection? That is Himachal Pradesh. CM is Jairam Thakur. Governor Bandaru Dattatreya. Lok Sabha seat 4, Rajya Sabha seat 3. He started Panchavati Yojana, Gati portal, and Phagli festival is the famous festival, and Sahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana. Which Indian state or UT has launched a mobile van, that is Dhanvantari Rath? Dhanvantari Rath, providing essential healthcare service to the people. Dhanvantari Rath, providing essential healthcare service to the people. Which state or UT? Which state or UT has started a mobile van? Means mobile van, that is Dhanvantari Rath, providing essential healthcare service to the people. That is Gujarat. Gujarat started Dhanvantari Rath. Clear? Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani. Governor is Acharya Devavrat. Clear? Lok Sabha seat is 26, Rajya Sabha seat is 11. He is the number 1 in food safety index. Who is the top state in food safety index? That is Gujarat. Gujarat is in food safety index. Food safety index top. Here Gujarat is top. He started also Sauni Yojana. Very important. Sauni Yojana. Which state started Sauni Yojana? Gujarat. And Saurashtra Narmada Avatarana Irrigation Yojana. Saurashtra Narmada Avataran Irrigation Yojana started by Gujarat government. And Gujarat police, first Indian police who used taser gun. Which police used taser gun? That is Gujarat police. Clear? Next, name the racer who won the Australian Grand Prix 2020 held at Red Bull Ring in Spielberg, Austria. In Austria, one more, that is ring, that is Red Bull Ring in Spielberg. Here Austrian Grand Prix was held. Who won Australian Grand Prix 2020? Valtteri Bottas. It is Valtteri Bottas from Finland. Valtteri Bottas from Finland. Finland capital is Helsinki. Currency Euro. What is the capital of Austria? Austria capital is Vienna. Currency Euro. Remember, Australia Vienna Euro, Finland Helsinki Euro. Australian Grand Prix won by Valtteri Bottas. He is from Mercedes. Mercedes is the driver of Mercedes. Clear? Name the person who authored a book titled Getting Competitive, a Practitioner's Guide for India. Getting Competitive, remember that much only. Getting Competitive is books. Is the author of who? That is R.C. Bhargava. Is the chairman of Maruti Suzuki. Is the chairman of Maruti Suzuki. Is the chairman of Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki's chairman R.C. Bhargava as the author of the book Getting Competitive, a Practitioner's Guide for India. Here, R.C. Bhargava, which is the chairman of Maruti Suzuki. Question will ask, who is the present chairman of Maruti Suzuki? That is R.C. Bhargava. On which date? World Chocolate Day. You guys are remember. World Chocolate Day or International Chocolate Day is observed every year. That is not in February. Remember one. World Chocolate Day or International Chocolate Day is observed on 7th July. Clear? World Chocolate Day or International Chocolate Day is observed every year in 7th July, not in February. Yes. First, second, we cover first, second, fourth, but now 7th. 7th is World Chocolate Day or International Chocolate Day. What is fourth? Fourth is International Cooperative Day. International Cooperative Day. International Cooperative Day. That is not in fourth. That is celebrated on or first Saturday of July. First Saturday of July. It is celebrated on first Saturday of July. This year the theme is the theme for 2020 Cooperatives Day is cooperatives for climate action. Cooperatives for climate action. July 2 is celebrated as Sports Journalist Day. Sports Journalist Day, and remember, very important, that is UFO Day. UFO Day full form unidentified flying object. Unidentified flying object day, that is UFO Day, celebrated on July 2nd. July 1st is Chartered Account Day. National Chartered Account Day, National Postal Workers Day, and Doctors Day, National Doctors Day. In this year, the theme is 2020 Doctors Day. Theme is what? Listen the mortality of COVID-19. Listen the mortality of COVID-19. Remember, Doctors Day 2020 theme is listen the mortality of COVID-19. When it will celebrate? It is on 1st July. 7th July is World Chocolate Day or International Chocolate Day. 4th July is first Saturday of July is Cooperative for Climate Action is the theme of International Cooperative Day. 2nd July is Sports Journalist Day and UFO Day, Unidentified Flying Object Day. Which payment bank has announced that to launch of a Bhavishya Saving Account Scheme? Bhavishya means future account scheme for minor aged between 10 to 18 years. 10 to 18 years students will open a bank account that is under Bhavishya Saving Account Scheme. Which payment bank has started? That is Fino Payment Bank started Bhavishya Saving Account Bank. Where is the headquarters of Fino? Fino is the headquarters is Mumbai. Fino's headquarters is in Mumbai. Who is the head of Fino? Fino's MD and CEO. Fino's MD and CEO is Rishi Gupta. Fino's MD and CEO is Rishi Gupta. Tagline: कदर आपकी मेहनत की, कदार आपकी मेहनत की, कदार आपकी मेहनत की is the theme of Fino Payment Bank. Remember one more important. India's first payment bank is Airtel Payment Bank. Airtel Payment Bank is India's first payment bank. Remember, to form a payment bank, Indian government constituted a committee. Who is the head of this committee? Nachiketa Committee. Under Nachiketa Committee, Indian government decided to start payment bank. Clear? One more question. Paytm Payment Bank partner with Mastercard to launch its debit cards. Mastercard is one company. Paytm Payment Bank is partnered with which company to launch debit card? That is Mastercard. Paytm Payment Bank partner with Mastercard to launch debit cards. Clear? First payment bank is Airtel Payment Bank. Which bank Bhavishya Saving Account scheme started? That is Fino Payment Bank. Where is the headquarters? Mumbai. Who is the MD and CEO? Rishi Gupta. Tagline is Qadar Aapki Mehnat Ki. Which institute recently developed disinfection box Unisavior? Disinfection box, that is Unisavior. Which institution developed? That is IIT Roorkee. Also remember, IIT Roorkee started one more ventilator, that is Pranavayu ventilator started by IIT Roorkee. According to NIRF, which instituted top in India? Madras is the top institute, best institute in India. Remember, chest X-ray and Project IJAC started by IIT Gandhinagar. Chest X-ray and Project IJAC started by IIT Gandhinagar. IIT Bombay created one more, that is advanced stethoscope. Clear? Similarly, which institution started AI powered COVID-19 test kit? AI powered COVID-19 test kit started by IIT Hyderabad. Remember, again I will repeat. Unisavior disinfection was started by IIT Roorkee, also Pranavayu Unisavior, IIT Roorkee. Top institute, IIT Madras. Chest X-ray, Project IJAC, IIT Gandhinagar. Advanced stethoscope, IIT Bombay. AI powered COVID-19 test kit, IIT Hyderabad. AI means artificial intelligence powered test kit, IIT Hyderabad. Stethoscope, IIT Bombay. Project IJAC, chest X-ray, Gandhinagar. Pranavayu Unisavior, IIT Roorkee. Ola has announced its strategic partnership with which company? Ola announced its strategic partnership with which company to enhance its digital payments experience for its customers? Ola partner with which company to enhance its digital payment? To make digital payment, Ola partner with which company? That is PhonePe. Ola partner with PhonePe. Ola's headquarters is Bangalore. Ola's headquarters is Bangalore. Who is the head? Who is the CEO? That is Bhavesh Agarwal is the CEO of Ola. PhonePe's CEO Samir Nigam is the CEO of PhonePe. Clear? Brand ambassador is Alia Bhatt and Amir Khan. Alia Bhatt and Amir Khan is the brand ambassador of PhonePe. Again I will repeat. Ola partner with PhonePe to start digital payment. Ola Bangalore, Bhavesh Agrawal. PhonePe headquarters also in Bangalore. CEO is the Samir Nigam. Brand ambassador is Alia Bhatt and Amir Khan. Who has been named last MCQ? Who has been named EY World Entrepreneur of the Year 2020? World Entrepreneur of the 2020. Who has been named? That is Kiran Majumdar Shah. He is the chairman of Bicon Medicine Company. He is the chairman of Bicon Medicine Company. He is also get ICMR Lifetime Achievement Award. ICMR Lifetime Achievement Award. ICMR Lifetime Achievement Award. Question will ask, who received ICMR Lifetime Achievement? ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Head is Balram Bhargav. Indian Council of Medical Research. Head is Balram Bhargav. ICMR Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Kiran Majumdar Shah. Also remember, he receives highest civilian award of Australia. He receives highest civilian award of Australia, that is Order of Australia Award. Order of Australia Award. Question will ask, who received Order of Australia Award 2020? She is Kiran Majumdar Shah. Highest civilian award of Australia. Remember one more, Uday Kotak. You see, Uday Kotak is the present chairman of CII. CII full form Confederation of Indian Industry. Very important question. Who is the present president of CII, Confederation of Indian Industry? Is the Uday Kotak. Is the co-founder of which bank? Yes, is the co-founder of Kotak Mahindra Bank. The co-founder of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Clear? Uday Kotak, also co-founder of Kotak Mahindra Bank, is the present president of Confederation of Indian Industry. EY World Entrepreneur of the Year 2020 goes to Kiran Majumdar Shah. He is the chairman of Bicon Medicine Company. He also receives ICMR Lifetime Achievement Award and Order of the Australia Award. Clear? Let's start the current affairs session. India ranks at 34th in Global Real Estate Transparency Index 2020. India ranks almost, that is 34th in Global Real Estate Transparency Index 2020. Question will ask, what is the India's rank in Global Real Estate Transparency Index 2020? That is 34. Which country will top? That is USA. USA becomes top. Clear? Last class we have told that is Sustainable Development Goal Index. Sustainable Development Goal Index. What is the India's rank? India's rank is 117. Top country is Sweden. Also tell Global Climate Risk Index. Global Climate Risk Index. Global Climate Risk Index. India rank is 9. Top country is Sweden. Similarly, one more thing, World Energy Transaction Index. World Energy Transaction Index. World Energy Transaction Index. India's rank is 74. Top country as well as Sweden. Remember, Sustainable Development Goal Index 117. Top country Sweden. Global Climate Risk Index. Top country Sweden. India's rank is 9. World Energy Transaction Index. Top country Sweden. India's rank is 74. Remember, Gender Gap Index. Very important. Gender Gap Index. What is the India's rank? India's rank is 112. Top country is Iceland. Press Freedom Index. India's rank is 142. Top country and Norway. Similarly, Henley Passport Index. India's rank is 84. Top country Japan. I will repeat again. India rank in 34 in Global Real Estate Transparency Index 2020, top country is USA. Sustainable Development Goal Index, India's rank is 117, top country Sweden. Global Climate Risk Index, top country is Sweden, India's rank is 9. World Energy Transaction Index, India's rank is 74, top country is Sweden. Gender Gap Index, India's rank is 112, top country is Iceland. Press Freedom Index, India rank is 142, top country is Norway, capital Oslo. Henley Passport Index, top country is Japan, India's rank 84. G. Akash becomes India's 66th chess grandmaster. Who becomes the 66th chess grandmaster? Is G. Akash. He is from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. G. Akash becomes the India's 66th grandmaster. Who is the first grandmaster? He is Vishwanath Anand. He was Vishwanath Anand. His famous book is Mind Master. Remember, famous book is Mind Master. Very important question. Mind Master is the book of Vishwanath Anand. He also receives the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Who was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? It is Vishwanath Anand. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. He was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The first grandmaster also. His famous book is Mind Master. Bangladesh launches digital heart. You people shall know heart, where you bring some essential goods. Clear? That is heart. Bangladesh launches a digital heart for online sale and purchase of sacrificial animals ahead of the festival Eid al-Adha. For his festival Eid al-Adha, Bangladesh started online sale of animals, that is known as which platform? That is known as digital heart platform. And digitally he started to sell animals. That platform is known as digital heart. Which country started digital heart? That is Bangladesh started. Bangladesh capital Dhaka, currency Dhaka, with the Prime Minister. Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina. President Abdul Hamid. President is Abdul Hamid. Who is the father of Bangladesh? Here I am written. Father of Bangladesh is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, known as father of Bangladesh. Remember, Bangladesh Cricket Board (BCB), Bangladesh Cricket Board recently started COVID-19 test for all cricket players. Bangladesh Cricket Board recently started COVID-19 test for all cricket players. Famous Bangladesh cricket player named as Shakibul Hasan. He banned for 2 years. Shakibul Hasan was banned for 2 years. Here, Karur Vysya Bank has signed an agreement with Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance to offer life insurance solution to its customer. Karur Vysya Bank has signed an agreement with Bajaj Allianz company. Karur Vysya Bank, that Bajaj Allianz is insurance company. Clear? Karur Vysya Bank sold Bajaj Allianz Insurance. Karur Vysya Bank sell the Bajaj insurance for its customers. Karur Vysya Bank has signed an agreement with Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance to offer life insurance solution to the customers. Remember, the customers of Karur Vysya Bank received life insurance policy from Bajaj Allianz. Clear? Where is the headquarters of Karur Vysya Bank? That is in Karur. Karur is in Tamil Nadu. Karur Vysya Bank headquarters is in Karur. Karur is in Tamil Nadu. Who is the chairman of Karur Vysya Bank? That is N.S. Srinath. N.S. Srinath is the chairman of Karur Vysya Bank. Tagline is smart way to bank. That is the tagline. Smart way to bank is the tagline of Karur Vysya Bank. Where is the headquarters of Bajaj Allianz? That is in Pune. Who is the MD? Tarun Chugha. Tarun Chugh, CHUGH, Tarun Chugh is the MD of Bajaj Allianz. Where is the headquarters of Bajaj Allianz? Pune. Again, I'll repeat. Karur Vysya Bank has signed an agreement with Bajaj Allianz to give life insurance solution for its customers. Clear? Karur Vysya Bank headquarters is Karur, Tamil Nadu, and Bajaj Allianz headquarters is Pune, Maharashtra. This year Ryder Cup golf competition between Europe and USA was postponed to 2020. Very important question. Question will ask the Ryder Cup related to which sports? That is golf. In this year Ryder Cup was postponed. That will be held in 2021 in USA. Also remember one more cup, that is a Presidential Cup. Presidential Cup, that is related to also golf. This cup also postponed. Clear? Operation Samudra Setu, very important. Operation Samudra Setu, which was launched by the Navy on May 5 as a part of a national effort to repatriate Indian citizens aboard during the COVID-19 pandemic. Means those who are in outside India, they want to come in India. Indian Navy launched one operation. That operation named as Samudra Setu. In this operation, they rescue outside people. Clear? They rescue outside people. Operation Samudra Setu. When it was started? It was started on May 5th. But till now, is successfully bringing back 3,992 individuals. Clear? In Operation Samudra Setu, Indian Navy successfully bringing back 3,992 individuals. Clear? Question will ask, in this operation, which two INS used? That is INS, remember INS Jalaswa and INS Magar. It is the two ship. It is the name of two ship. In this two ship, the individuals, the peoples will bringing back which home. State Bank of India will invest how much crore? 1760 crore. 1760 crore in the Yes Bank. Remember, State Bank will invest how much crore? 1760 crore in the Yes Bank. Yes Bank tagline is experience our expertise. When it was established on 2004. Experience our expertise was the tagline. Chairman is Sunil Mehta. MD and CEO is Prashant Kumar. He also started one scheme, that is loan in second. Which bank started a loan in seconds? Loan in second started Yes Bank. Clear? SBI invest how much crore? That is 760 crore. USA will formally withdraw from World Health Organization. World Health Organization. USA will formally withdraw. He is noticed in 7th July 2021. He is in notice period. Notice period till in 7th July 2021. He withdraw from World Health Organization. Which country? It is USA. World Health Organization formation 7th April 1948. So we celebrate 7th April as World Health Day also. Headquarters is Geneva. Headquarters is in Geneva. Head is Tedros Adhanom. Adhanom is from Ethiopia. Ethiopia capital is Addis Ababa. Clear? USA will formally withdraw from WHO. Veteran Bollywood actor comedian Jagdeep is from Sole movie. Jagdeep passed away recently. Veteran Bollywood actor comedian Jagdeep passed away recently. Jagdeep was the famous comedian in Sole movie. Jagdeep was the famous comedian in Sole movie and famous Bollywood actor He was passed away recently. Remember one more actor, that she is Saroj Khan, one choreographer. She was passed away recently. And Sushant Singh Rajput, and Irfan Khan, and Wajid Khan, Mohit Bagal, Yogesh Gaur. Remember? Clear? Next. Maldives and Sri Lanka have become the first two countries in the Southeast Asia region to eliminate measles and rubella ahead of the 2023 target. He targeted 2023, but in 2020 he eliminated both measles and rubella. He targeted 2023, but he eliminated now. In this year he eliminated. That is measles and rubella disease. Which two countries? Maldives and Sri Lanka. This was the current affairs. Let's start the state Kerala. Kerala statehood day is 1st November 1956. Present CM Binara Vijan Arif Mohammad Khan is the governor. Total district 14. Lok Sabha seat is 20. Rajya Sabha seat is 9. 29. Lok Sabha 20. Rajya Sabha is 9. Total district 14. High Court present in Kochi. Governor is Chief Justice is S. Mani Kumar. High Court present in Kochi. Chief Justice is S. Mani Kumar. Bodo State Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Lakshadweep. See, here is the Kerala. Here is the Kerala. It is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. This one Lakshadweep. Clear? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Lakshadweep. The border state. High Court is in Kochi. Chief Justice S. Mani Kumar. What is this national park? Anamudi Sola. Remember, Sola Vilkan means that is in Kerala. Anamudi Sola, Irabikulam, Mathiketan, Pambadam, Periyar Silent Valley. Anamudi Sola, Irabikulam, Mathiketanam, Pambadam, Periyar Silent Valley. Anamudi Sola, Irabikulam, Mathiketanam, Pambadam, Periyar Silent Valley. Anamudi Sola, Mathiketanam, Irabikulam, Periyar Silent Valley. These are the national park. Near Wildlife Sanctuary, Parambikulam Wildlife Sanctuary, Wayanad, very important. Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, Tippara Wildlife Sanctuary, Tathikad Bird Sanctuary, very important. Tathikad Bird Sanctuary, located in which state? Tathikad Bird Sanctuary located in Kerala. And Chimoni Wildlife Sanctuary. Chimoni, Tathikad, Tippara, Wayand, Parambikulam Wildlife Sanctuary. Clear? This was the video for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel, Competitive Study. Thank you.